the Rolling Stones as Ringmasters. It's Today in Rock History for December 12th. I'm Paul Chagru. In 1968, the Stones jammed in a London studio with John Lennon, Yoko Ono, Eric Clapton, The Who, and Jethro Tull. The film Rock and Roll Circus isn't shown publicly until 1996.
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm
In 1967, Brian Jones' 9-month prison sentence for marijuana possession is commuted after psychiatric testimony reveals Jones is an extremely frightened young man and couldn't stand 9 months behind bars. And Dickie Betts of the Allman Brothers Band is born in West Palm Beach, Florida on this day in 1943. And that's Today in Rock History for December 12th from 88.7 WFOS, the Time Machine Radio Network.